Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Elisa, here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton, and today we'll be taking a look at the 2018 Toyota Highlander XLE all-wheel drive. So this is a 4-door, 5-passenger all-wheel drive SUV, and the color is called Midnight Black. Under the hood, you'll find a very capable 3.5-liter V6 cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 18-inch alloy wheels. Now, some of your fantastic features include your built-in sun blinds for those children sitting in the back seat. You also have your fully automatic headlights and your automatic high beams. You also have your rear cross traffic alert and your rear collision alert, but there's a ton happening on the inside, so why don't we hop on in and take a look around. Helping you into your Highlander is this handy dandy Toyota Smart Key. On your fob, you have your lock, your unlock, your power lift gate, and your panic button. Pushing the unlock button once will unlock the front door, and pushing it twice will unlock all four. I'm just going to lock this back up here so I can show you how that proximity key works. I'm going to place it in my pocket. You can also see that you do have your side view mirror significant indicators just there. That's going to be great for heavy traffic or if you're traveling on the highway. And I'm going to open this without my key fob, so my fob is in my pocket. I'm just going to place my hand on the handle, and you could hear that beep opens it up for me. Nice and easy. You don't have to go searching for your keys. So lots of room to get in and out, really nice and spacious. You do have a little bit of storage here in the driver's side door, along with some cup holders. You also have your power windows, locks, and mirrors. And you have 2 sets of floor mats, including your all-weather floor mats to keep your vehicle nice and clean. And you have your power adjustable driver's seat. Moving a little bit further in, you have this gorgeous interior with this really nice brown stitching. So it does add a little bit of dynamic look to the interior of your Highlander. Moving a little bit further up, you do have your power tilt and slide sunroof. That's going to be really nice for those warm summer days that we all know and love in Alberta that are few and far between. On the left-hand side of your steering wheel, you have your automatic high beams. That's part of your Toyota Safety Sense. You'll be a little bit more familiar with that when you come in for a test drive. You also have your power lift gate there as well, and your windshield wiper defrost button. So that's a really handy thing to have in the winter. Get some more of the technology features. Now, once again, I don't need my fob because it's a smart key. We have the push start technology for you. So that's going to be really handy. A nice display, really easy on the eyes, not too bright, not too dark, and you have this gorgeous leather-wrapped steering wheel. You also have all of the mounted controls that you're going to want. You have your volume control and your music selection buttons and your mode changer, along with your voice command and your hands-free calling there on the left. And then on the right-hand side, this is the menu for your center information display. This is going to give you all of your settings for your lane departure alert, your pre-collision system, things like that. So lots of really great safety features in there for you. Again, part of your Toyota Safety Sense, and you can take a look and see what you're listening to on the radio, control it from there, and you have your navigation, so that's going to be really great for you. So lots of information for you just at the push of a couple of buttons. You also have your lane departure alert here and your dynamic radar cruise control. That works in conjunction with your cruise control, which is just back here for all of you highway drivers. Now, taking a look at the entertainment system, now we do have everything that you're going to want. You have your AM, FM radio, you have your Sirius XM satellite radio, you still have a CD player, and you also have your USB and your audio input, along with your Bluetooth audio, which is going to give you your hands-free calling as well when you hook up that Bluetooth. And you have your tri-zone climate control. So this is going to control your rear climate, and then you have your passenger that has control over their climate as well. Really nice if you have a bunch of people in the vehicle and everybody kind of runs at different temperatures. Moving a little bit further down from there, you have your USB and your audio input. You also have a 2 USB ports just in there, and you have a 12-volt DC plug-in just there in case you have any other devices that you would like to charge. You also have all of your different driving modes. That's going to be really handy for you, and you have your differential lock there as well. So moving a little bit further back, just a few more things I want to show you. You have your sport mode. Again, that's really fun to drive that way if you would prefer to drive sort of like a manual. And then you have your heated seats for your driver and your passenger. Lots of storage in your Highlander for all of those snacks and other items that you want to carry around. This comes out to make for easy storage, and it moves back and forth, so that's going to be handy for you there as well. This doubles as an armrest, closes up nice and easy, and hides away some of the clutter that people tend to get in their vehicles, especially when you have a family around. You do have a lockable glove box, giving you a little bit of privacy for some personal items, and you have all of the manuals that you're going to want in there for you as well. So lots of really great stuff happening in the front of your Highlander. Why don't we head on back and take a look at cargo? Taking a look at the back of your Highlander now, lots going on back here as well. You do have that window hatch that opens completely. You also have your rear windshield wiper and you have your rear vision camera just there. That's going to make it easier for you to pull out of those busy parking spots or just out of your own driveway, making it safer. So we do have a power lift gate on your key fob. You can use that, or you can just simply use the button right underneath your Toyota symbol. It'll open up for you like that as well. So taking a look here, we're going to look at the cargo space. There's lots of really great stuff that happens with this cargo space now. Not only do you have that 60-40 split rear seat, I'm going to lay that down for you in just one moment, but you also have this little handy compartment that holds all of your tools for your spare tire, and you have a little bit of extra storage space down there. And as I'd said, I'm going to put these seats down so you can see just how much cargo space you have. So there you have your seats down, tons and tons of cargo space. You also have a cargo cover that installs really easily, so when you're going on a big shopping trip or if you're going on a road trip, you don't want anybody looking and seeing what you have in the back of your cargo space. You can just pull that down, really safe and secure, and then you can either push this button here or you can use your fob to bring your power lift gate back down, and then we'll give you a nice view of the back of your Highlander. Giving you a final look then of your 2018 Toyota Highlander XLE all-wheel drive. There is a lot happening on this vehicle that I didn't get a chance to go through, so come on in and take it for a test drive. Speak to one of our friendly product advisors and they'll be happy to help. We're very easy to find. We're on the corner of 137th Avenue and St. Albert Trail. We're here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. My name is Elisa. Thanks again for watching, and until we see you, drive safe.